Good morning or good afternoon. I won't do this every week, but because this is only our second week of the semester, kudos to all of you for surviving the first week. I wanted to kind of welcome you to week 2 and remind you of how the course is structured a little bit, because this week especially, you're going to be doing a lot more work in the course. So you should always go to modules once you log into the course and have checked your announcements for the week. You'll see that module for week 2 is now live, and it looks like there are several pages here, and there are, but it doesn't necessarily mean a lot of work. I wanted to try to organize it in a way that wouldn't feel overwhelming. So you always want to begin with week 2, the overview and to-do list. And on this page, you're going to see the goals for the week, the assignments that you need to be aware of, and the to-do list. Remember, you do not have to follow this to-do list if you don't want to. It just gives you an idea of how to manage your time so that you're not overwhelmed. And if you follow this, you're really not going to have any work over the weekend. And as always, then you will click through to the next few pages. This page explains how the lesson is structured this week and gives you the active links to find those pages. And then we will start this week with learning about Project 1. Be sure to read the Project 1 assignment sheet and then carefully watch and take notes for the Project 1 video, where I also explained the reading clusters and how to access those. So in other words, just click through the entire module. If you run into any problems this week, please reach out. And remember, I have office hours every Tuesday morning via Microsoft Teams. The link is on our homepage. Feel free to drop by. I hope you all have a wonderful second week.